Last time, we focused on turning this EVO 7 into an aerodynamic weapon, but downforce alone doesn't win races. In part 2, it's time to make sure this thing can actually handle it. Suspension, drivetrain, brakes, wheels, tires, it's about to get real. We went with a full TEIN SuperRacing Coilovers setup, track-proven, fully adjustable, and built to handle serious abuse. To push things further, we added a Whiteline caster kit up front for increased camber gain and sharper steering response. Front and rear sway bars, also from Whiteline, were fitted to minimize body roll and keep the chassis planted through the corners. This setup is built for grip, and it's just the beginning. When it comes to track performance, braking is everything. Up front, we're running Endless Racing Mono 6 calipers, rigid lightweight forged aluminum paired with 370 millimeters by 34 millimeters rotors. At the rear, Mono 4s clamped down on 332 millimeters by 30 millimeters rotors. This setup isn't just for looks. It's engineered to deliver brutal, consistent braking under the most demanding conditions, lap after lap. Fade resistance, pedal feel, control, all on point. You don't build power without building the system to control it. Next up, keeping the engine healthy and power consistent. We upgraded to an Aeroflow baffled oil pan, giving us increased oil volume and minimizing oil slosh under heavy Gs. An Aero oil cooler keeps temperatures in check, even during long stints. Ignition, handled by R35 GTR coil packs and Bosch Motorsport spark plugs, running no ground electrode for maximum efficiency and reliability under boost, and tying everything together in EFI Euro4 ECU, the brain managing every single detail from spark to fuel with absolute precision. Power is nothing without control, and this setup gives us both. Now let's talk about the real game changer, the drivetrain. We swapped the stock transmission for a QUAIFE 5-speed sequential gearbox. This isn't just about faster shifts, it's about eliminating the delay between gears, thanks to straight-cut gears, dog engagement, and a full race-ready design built to handle abuse. Inside the gearbox, a QUAIFE ATB differential takes care of torque distribution with automatic torque biasing, improving traction out of corners. At the front, we installed a Cusco LSD, offering high locking force and consistent behavior under power. Flat shifting, enabled by a momentum shift knob, integrated to work perfectly with the ECU logic for lightning-fast gear changes without lifting, keeping boost up and the car fully on attack mode. This transmission setup isn't just strong, it's designed to deliver power exactly when and where you need it. Next up, the cockpit. We fitted an OMP bucket seat paired with 4-point racing harnesses for proper lateral support and safety under high G forces. Whether we're trail braking into a corner or launching out of a hairpin. Front and center sits the AIME Strada digital dash display, delivering real-time data with customizable layouts, from RPM and oil pressure to lap times and predictive timing. The display is backlit, fully programmable, and compatible with CAN-based ECUs, giving us direct feedback from every critical system. And for serious data analysis, we added the AIM Solo 2DL telemetry unit. GPS-based with a 10 Hz update rate, it logs lap data with incredible precision, while also pulling CAN data directly from the ECU. This means we can review throttle position, brake pressure, gear changes, and more, right after each session. Whether it's dialing in damping settings or fine-tuning shift points, this setup makes sure nothing goes unnoticed. And now, time to see what all this hardware can really do. We strapped the EVO on the dyno, ready to lay down some numbers. After a few pulls, some fine-tuning, and letting that Borg-Warner turbo do its thing, 500 horsepower at the wheels, 67 kilograms of torque, all delivered with razor-sharp throttle response and consistent power through the rev range. This isn't just a high number. It's a setup that's built for abuse on track. Stable oil temps, clean ignition, precise fuel delivery, all managed by the EFI Euro4 ECU. What you're looking at is a full package street-to-track monster that's not just fast on paper. It's built to stay fast, lap after lap. Let's talk tires, because no matter how much power you make, if it doesn't hit the tarmac right, it means nothing. For now, we're running a set of Nankang AR1 semi-slicks, a proven choice with solid grip and consistency, perfect for dialing the car in during testing. But we're not stopping there. Once our new wheels arrive, we'll be switching to full hand-cooked slicks. Proper motorsport rubber, ready to push this EVO to its true limits. You won't see them in this video, but trust us, what's coming next will change everything. The build is finally complete. Every bolt, every part, every decision was made with one goal in mind: to turn this EVO 7 into a machine that belongs on the track. From the TEIN suspension, sway bars, caster kit, to endless brakes with forged calipers and massive rotors. From the Aeroflow oiling system to the fully programmable ECU and that sequential QUAIFE gearbox. This isn't a show car. This isn't built for comfort. It's built to perform, to corner harder, to brake later, to shift faster, to chase lap times, not likes. And now, with a full telemetry system, a race seat, fresh slicks, and 500 horses at the wheels, it's ready. This is what happens when every upgrade has a purpose, when every part is chosen to work together, not just to look good. This is a purpose-built EVO, and this was the road to building it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the grid, because now it's game on.